Di Makulangan gives it up. Here's Patrona. Off the block again. Melissa going. Another long rally. Tabaquero is blocked by the net. And Melissa Going still tries to mop the floor with her uniform.
Without a good rally for both squads, but fatigue, I guess, played in that last spike by Tabaquero.
How old is this boy? She's about 21.
Yeah, probably.
One of the youngest members of the team. 1 point lead for Bingo Millonario. Going. Di Makulangan. Here's the runner by Gretchen Ho. Mercado gets to it. Laborte. And somehow, Patrona could not get that through. Jose. Back row attack from Aiza Maizo. With the help of the net.
What can we say?
Aiza Maizo strung together a lot of points here in the third set.
And you can sense that she's getting the confidence. She's asking for these back row, which she hasn't asked for a long while.
Well, probably the last time she's asked for that was about 4 years ago.
Yeah.
But she still gets it done. Tabaquero. Peñano. Jose. Yumang. Gohing. Tabaquero. Cainglet. What a strike from Phil Cainglet.
Again, so she's, playing a very good game today for Petron.
Let's send it over now to Ricky Flores.
And let's talk about everyone's darling and the spark of today's game for Petron, Phil Cainglet. Her teammates actually describe her as very reliable, and they're very, very lucky to have her on the bench. And speaking of the bench, Coach Villette has been looking for the right combination of players on the floor, and from the looks of her smile while delivering instructions during the last timeout, looks like she found it. Noel?
Yeah, that's right, because Phil Cainglet and Aiza Maizo have actually stepped up here in the third set. Gretchen Ho on the adjustment. Here's Gisa Yumang now, shoots it across. Iris Patrona again denied by Gretchen Ho. Free ball from Panay Mercado.
So the coverage of Bingo's there for them.
Down the middle, Cainglet. Cher Peñano. Jose, Gisa Yumang. Again, Going is there. Back row, Maizo. And she will miss. And Maizo's saying, as she saw it hit the corner. Substitution now for the Puffins. Iris Patrona sits. Micah Morada returns.
Well, she went for the line, but missed it by a bit.
That's why we need to introduce Hawkeye technology in volleyball. I think if we can do that, I hope Commissioner Ian Laurel is listening. Maybe we can be the first to do that in the world. Introduce Hawkeye technology into volleyball. That's a bigger ball than in tennis. No Hawkeye needed there on that attack from Phil Cainglet, who is now officially on fire.
That's right. And this is her breakout game, I guess, for this tournament.
Best performance in the tournament so far for Phil Cainglet. 1 point lead for the Blaze Spikers. Ho. Combination now. Yumang. Cross court. Maizo. Here's Cainglet. And Cainglet scores again! That ball was deflected just enough so that Cher Peñano lost track of it.
Phil Cainglet is varying her angles. Not much power. She's just changing the direction, putting a little strength here. Getting all the points.
I think Ronald Dulay will address this in this timeout by Bingo Millonario.
Organize lang natin yung receiver natin. Tatlo pa naman yung spiker natin, diskartehan mo. Huwag ka masyado lumayo doon. Ito, si Iris palabasin mo rito. Sir, bumabagsak ka kagad. Masyadong mabilis yung reaction mo. Tingnan mo muna pag napalo. Dalawa lang yan, kapit lang tayo. Okay, stop muna natin. Stop lang muna natin. Hindi pa palo.
Of course, Assistant Coach Norman Miguel giving a few last-minute instructions as well to Gisa Yumang. 21-19.
They cannot find the answer to this Phil Cainglet onslaught.
Well, if it's not Phil Cainglet, it's Aiza Maizo doing it the other way.
And Ortiz is now in front.
Yep. Which means Gretchen Ho is now serving. April Jose on her knees again. Here is Panay Mercado getting it through. This is just a 1 point lead. Bumaba returns, replacing April Jose. Chi Saet will replace Gisa Yumang. As Chi Saet will now serve. A reminder, that's his 5th substitution already. That means, I think he's out of it already.
But we're towards the end of the third set, so he'll stay with his first 6.
Di Maculangan. Running attack, Mike Ortiz. Blocked by Mercado. Here's Kainglet again. And Kainglet this time misses, looking for the check ball.
That's right. Trying to elude the blockers, but she misses the line.
You got the Imbierna look on Phil Kainglet after that one. Tied at 21. Saet. Tabaquero. Di Maculangan. Kainglet again. Turned back this time by Gumabaw. Di Maculangan again. Phil Kainglet off the block. Morada is there. Cheese Saet. Back set ngayon para kay Michelle Gumabaw, who will miss. And these little hitting errors now starting to cost Bingo Millonario.
That's right. Actually, that was a very good set by Chisay because the blockers were already ready to cover the open hitter.
Right.
So no blockers there, but an error. Sorry, error there for the Bingo Millonario.
There's another excellent server. Rhea Di Maculangan was not missed today on her serve. They go to Mercado. Tabaquero is there. Di Maculangan. Kainglet. Turned back again by Gumabaw. Di Maculangan, this time feeding Aiza Maizo. Great dig there by Saet. Here's Mercado. Gohing. Di Maculangan down the middle for Mike Ortiz. So many weapons all of a sudden for Petron.
That's right. You can sense really that these players from Petron, their confidence there. So even Rhea Di Maculangan has the confidence to give all these plays.
And these are all legit positions that we see. Middle attack, Mike Ortiz. Open attack, Phil Kainglet. Utility spiker, Aiza Maizo. And we have another timeout here for Ronald Dulay.
Side out lang natin to. Receive muna kayo, atake. Pag na-side out natin to, karga mo yung service mix. Ha? Isang side out lang. Ha? Okay? Go!
Ronald Dulay using a reference from the time of Noreen Go. Side out. That means they just need to stop the service of Petron and get the service back on their side.
You know, if you talk to the kids right now, what's a side out?
It's like the opposite of outside. Side out, of course, before the rally point system was introduced in volleyball. You could not score if it was not your serve.
Yes. Even in badminton, it used to be a side out system.
Great serve by Di Maculangan. And we have 3 set points now for Petron.
Wow, that was off a timeout.
Right. They just needed the side out. They couldn't even get the first ball. Rhea Di Maculangan serving for the set. Morada. Saet. Quick set. Laborte. Dug up again by Petron. Here's Maizo. And Maizo will miss.
She went for it. It's just, you know, her wrist just cracked up a bit.
Yeah. Penetrante back in front. Laborte. This is the side out that Ronald Dulay wanted. But now he's facing 2 set points. Laborte. Gohing. Di Maculangan down the middle. Phil Kainglet again. And superhero Phil Kainglet gives the 3rd set to Petron, 25-22. Inspired volleyball being shown by the Blaze Spikers as they now take a 2-1 lead in this match. 4th set when we return.